Good morning, friends. Yesterday we are solving some problems related to the values of the sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec, and today we are going to solve the related to the sum formula. Here the sine 90 minus a, that is equal to cos a, and cos 90 minus a, that is equal to sine a, and sine tan 90 minus a, that is equal to cot a, and cot 90 minus a, that is equal to tan a, and sec 90 minus a, that is equal to cosec a, and cosec 90 minus a, that is equal to sec a. But how we can find this formula? First you see that is a 90 degree, so it means sum of the triangle of angle A plus B plus C, that is equal to 180 degree. Here the value of B, A plus C and plus B, that is a 90 degree, that is equal to 180. So A plus B, A plus C, that is equal to 180 minus 90, either that C is equal to 90 minus A. If you just wanted to take the angle C, the angle C is equal to 90 minus A. So here you see that sine 90 minus A, 90 minus A, it means angle C. If you take the angle C, this is the angle A and this is the angle C. If you take the angle C, so this is the perpendicular, this is the base, and this is the hypotenuse. Okay. So the perpendicular upon hypotenuse, it is a AB upon AC. AB upon AC, if you take the angle A, so that is a cos A, that is equal to base upon hypotenuse. It means AB upon AC. So sine 90 minus A, that is equal to cos A. Here the formula, that how we can find the formula. Same condition, cos 90 minus A, cos 90 minus A, that is equal to cos 90 minus A, it means angle C. So this is a base, it means BC, and divide by hypotenuse AC. And BC upon AC, if you take the angle A, so the sine A, that is equal to BC upon AC. So here that cos 90 minus A, that is equal to sine A, right? I think all of you understand how we can find. So similarly we can find tan 90 minus A, that is a cot A, cot 90 minus A, that is a tan A, sec 90 minus A, cosec A, and cosec 90 minus A, that is equal to sec A. Similarly you can find the formulas. Okay. So I think all of you understand how we can find the formula. According to these formula, the next exercise is that 8.3. So we are going to solve the sum problems related to the exercise 8.3. All of you see the formula and how you can derive this formula, all of you understand. Okay. The question number first, exercise 8.3. The question number first of first and first of third. First sine 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. Here cos 48 degree minus sine 42 degree. So you see here that sine 18 degree, it means sine 90 minus 90 minus, if you subtract 72, 90 minus 72, 90 minus 72, that is equal to 18. So here are the 18. So I write down 90 minus 72. So upon cos 72, and you know the formula sin 90 minus theta. Here in the place of the theta, that is equal to 72 degree. So sin 90 minus theta, that is equal to cos theta. So cos 72 upon cos 72, and that is equal to 1. So this is the answer. All of you understand? Similarly, here you see that is equal to cos 48 degree. Cos 48 degree, it means cos 90 minus 42. If you subtract 90 to 42, that is equal to 48, and minus sin 42. Then you see cos 90 minus theta, that is equal to sin theta. So sin 42 degree minus sin 42 degree, and that is equal to 0. That is answer. Okay. So I think all of you understand how you can apply the formula and solve the question. Okay. So the other problem of the question number first you can solve, apply this method. For the next question, question number second, here are the also two questions are given. So I solve the questions number 2. The question number 2 of first. The question number second of the first, tan 48 degree. Tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree and tan 42 degree and tan 67 degree, that is equal to 1. You prove that is equal to 1. Here you see that tan 48 degree, here you take the LHS side, left hand side, tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree into tan 42 degree into tan 67 degree, right? Then you see tan 48, you write down that tan 90 minus 48, it means 42. 90 minus 42, that is equal to 48. Then tan 23, that is equal to tan 90 minus 67. If you subtract 90 to 67, this is equal to 23. Next, into tan 42 degree into tan 67 degree. According to the formula, tan 90 minus theta, that is a cot theta, so cot 42. Then tan 90 minus 67, cot 67 into tan 42 and tan 67. Then you take cot 42 to the tan 42. Another bracket, cot 67 to tan 67. All of you know that tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta. Either tan theta into cot theta, that is equal to 1. So here you see that is equal to 1 into 1, and that is equal to 1. So this is the RHS, right hand side, and hence proved. Okay. So tan 48, tan 23, tan 42, tan 67, that is equal to 1. Okay. So you can prove by apply the formula. Next, question number 3. The question number 3 is that in the question number 3, it is given tan 2a that is equal to cot a minus 80, and condition where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Tan a is a acute angle. Acute angle means the angle which is more than 0 less than 90. This is called as the acute angle. So a is an acute angle. If a is an acute angle, so here I write down that tan. So this is a tan, it means cot 90 minus 2a. You know cot 90 minus theta, that is a tan theta. So 90 minus 2a, that is equal to tan 2a, and it is equal to cot a minus 18. You compare on both sides. After the comparing both sides, so 90 minus 2a, that is equal to a minus 18. So 90 minus plus 18, that is equal to a plus 2a. So 3a, it is equal to 108, and a is equal to 108 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 6s are 18. So a is equal to 36 degree. Okay. It is also the important questions of the 1 marks. So all of you see carefully, because here tan 2a, this is equal to cot a minus 18. So here I apply formula cot 90 minus 2a, because cot 90 minus theta, that is equal to tan theta. So this is equal to this. After the comparing, we can solve a is equal to 36 degree, right? The next question here, if tan a is equal to cot b, then prove that. If tan a is equal to cot b, then you prove that a plus b, that is equal to 90 degree. Here tan a is equal to cot b, then you prove that a plus b, that is equal to 90 degree. Here you say that tan a is equal to cot b. Here you apply that tan 90 minus a, that is equal to cot b, because here tan not cot, because cot 90 minus a, you apply here cot 90 minus theta, it means tan theta. So cot 90 minus a, that is equal to tan a. So you comparing both sides, 90 minus a, that is equal to b, because both side is a cot. So you compare. So here is equal to 90 is equal to transfer a that side. So a plus b, either a plus b, that is equal to 90. So this is the answer. According to this, you can prove that a plus b, that is equal to 90 degree. Then question number 5 is the same to the question number 3. So we are going to solve that the question number 6. You see the question number 6. In the question number 6, if ABC are the interior angle of a triangle ABC, then sine B plus C by 2, that is equal to cos A by 2. Here ABC are the interior angle of a triangle. Since A plus B and plus C is equal to 180 degree, because it is given in the question, that is the interior angle of a triangle. So here B plus C is equal to 180 minus A. Divide by 2. If you divide by 2, then B plus C by 2, that is equal to 180 by 2 minus a by 2. Either that is equal to b plus c by 2, that is equal to 90 minus a by 2. Okay. So here you take the LHS side. In the question, LHS, that is a sine b plus c by 2, it is equal to sine, here b plus c by 2, that is equal to 90 minus a by 2. Sine 90 minus theta, this is the cos theta, so cos a by 2, and that is equal to RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS, and there sine b plus c by 2, that is equal to cos a by 2, and hence proved. Okay. So I think all of you understand these questions, how we can prove if this is the interior angle of a triangle. Then last question, express 67 sin 67 and cos 75 in the form of the trigonometric ratio 0 to 45. It means you convert this value between 0 to 75. Then how you can convert? 7. Here sin 67 and plus cos 75. Then you subtract, this is the sine 67, it means 90. How many you subtract 90, convert into the 67? So this is the 23 plus cos here 75, it means 90 minus 50. You subtract to, so it is converted into the 75. So sine 90 minus theta, it is a cos 23, and plus cos 90 minus theta sine 15. So this is a convert into the angle between 0 to 45. Okay. So I think all of you understand all the questions. So that exercise is completed, and the other questions related to these examples you can also solve. Okay, I think all of you understand. Okay, goodbye.